Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2016 66 registered Toyota Auris. This is the 1.8 Hybrid XL, finished in a lovely shade called Tyrol Silver. Current mileage on the car 58,782. This one registered keeper car really is in excellent condition, as I hope you can see. Excellent service history for the vehicle. It's full Toyota. We have 5 services in total. Most recent service being carried out on the 19th of July 2019 at 51,084 miles. Service schedule is every year or every 10,000 miles. MOT expiry 11th of October 2020. There were advisories for front discs and pads wearing low, which have subsequently just been replaced. Tyres, all premium branded Michelins. We have 4.3, 4.5mm on the front and 4.3 and 4.6mm on the rear. This car will benefit from the 5-year Toyota warranty, which therefore will last until October 2021. Or another approximately just over 40,000 miles still left. Very nice facilities on the car. We have keyless entry, keyless start, LED front running lights, privacy glass, also front and rear sensors along with a rear camera. Inside we have a very clean half leather cloth dark grey upholstery, set of mats, both the front and rear. Just moving into the cabin. So front and rear electric windows, electrically operated and folding wing mirrors, main multifunctional steering wheel, where you do have cruise control. So auto lights along with auto wipers. Main media system where you've got satellite navigation, as you can see, Bluetooth telephone, Bluetooth music streaming capability with the DAB radio. There is a single CD player, also USB and auxiliary in. Dual zone climate controlled air conditioning, heated front seats, various buttons for EV mode, eco driving, or running off the petrol solely. This excellent condition one registered Toyota Auris Hybrid is declared as HPI clear. We have 2 sets of remote central locking keys. There is a handbook. We have the fully stamped Toyota service history. There is a space saver spare wheel. All the tools are present, as well as the locking wheel nut and the rear parcel shelf. We can offer you some very competitive finance terms at the moment, and this is an example of a standard hire purchase agreement using a 20% deposit over 48 months. Payments of £251.49. Interest rate is fixed at 4.5%. The APR representative here is 10.7%. For further information, please go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, so view the extensive photography along with a walk around video. You can use that interactive finance calculator, see all the warranty information. Also, you can read the independent consumer reviews. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video. Any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, Berkshire Used Cars.